Well, in my opinion, like the benefit of the research is like because from my experience, I'm trying to build a project with the Islamic community in Cardiff, and it takes so much hard work to build. So when you see this, for example, this project, the research here to research, it's really remarkable. You need the passion, you need the skills, you need the time, you need a commitment to be here now. So it's not easy. It takes how much time?
It does take a lot of time.
Yeah, so
yeah,
it does take a lot of time. It's the effort and the commitment and also the passion to do it. So this is like we thank you all, the team. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for pointing out. Yeah, with especially if you want to work with vulnerable groups and people who don't traditionally take part in research, you do have to do the extra work. Yeah. You know, it's not a 9-to-5 job. Research isn't a 9-to-5 job. So I don't advise anyone to come into it if they want a 9-to-5 job. It's not a 9-to-5 job, but it's absolutely very worthwhile. It's a very rewarding job, especially if it's something you're passionate about. But it does take public engagement, public involvement does take time.
Yeah. Can I add also, about the hard work when you do the questionnaires with people? Most of them, they are either they don't speak English very well, or they don't know how to use the computer. So if you do online meetings, or if you wanna, so all of this is like it takes like maybe three times the work to do the actual job. Yeah. So it takes so much time and effort, but in the end, for people who have the passion, it's really rewarding at the end of the day.